Hey guys, hope everybody's having a great day so far. I had nothing special actually for the last couple of days. Just been plugging along on stuff, nothing really anything worthwhile taking videos of. So today I'm actually out in one of our three fields of scrap cars, and I needed a piece of or a trim piece for a windshield for a customer's Honda Pilot. So we had one, so I just went out and grabbed it. Right here, I already unlatched it, so there it goes. It's just held in with those stupid little plastic clips. So customer needs this, so I'm just going to grab it for him. But I just want to show you what we got here. You know, over blocking this end we have a wrecked Mustang, a wrecked Jaguar, and out in the woods there's a bed of a truck. I don't know if you can see that. There's actually a Dakota buried in the woods there. It's like absolutely wrapped. I don't know if you can see it. You just barely see it in there. Anyway, we got like all of these cars. They were cars and trucks. They were parts vehicles that were purchased from auction for their motors or trannies or something in their drivetrain interiors maybe. So just figured maybe you want to see what I got here. You know, just a couple of little vehicles here. This truck was actually pretty nice. This Z71 Sierra. There's another Dakota there, an Impala there, Saturn Outlook junk over there. Those things were junk when they were new. Here's a truck we bought to get the 8.1 out of. We needed the Allison transmission that was in it is what we needed. The truck only had 100,000 miles on it, but the whole undercarriage is rotted out. There was a Sierra we picked up that was wrapped in the left rear. Got the interior out of that, got the motor and tranny out of that. Old Sierra Silverado. F-150. We haven't even taken this one apart yet. We bought this one for the interior and the bed. Motor's still in it. I don't even know what it is. It's a V6. A Malibu Max. I think we got that for the motor. I'm not even sure. There's an Explorer. We got that for... I don't even know what we got that for. I don't even know. We got it for the transmission. The rest of it's trash. Older Grand Prix. I don't even know what the heck that is. Saturn maybe? I don't even know. Honda? Oh, it's a Honda. Okay, Honda Accord. There's a nice Dodge, or Chrysler Sebring rather. Here's a Taurus. We took the motor out of that. Here's a Mercedes that somebody donated to us. It's basically garbage. We have another field out in there. There's a hot tub if anybody wants it. Old Cadillac. There's a 4.6 Ford F-150 right there. Mercury Grand Marquis with a 4.6. Thing runs actually excellent. This thing was hammered in the driver's side. That's gonna be a donor vehicle for another car. There's a cop car right there, Dodge Charger. I think it's a 2013. That was used by the fire department. Here's a RAV4. We got that for the engine. That's going into another vehicle. Pulled the motor out of this Fusion. A couple of Chrysler junk products. Another Chrysler junk product. More junk products over there. Here's a pickup truck I just bought. It's got an oil pressure problem. It's got 230,000 miles on it. So I'm going to be putting a motor in that. I'll follow that one, or I'll make videos on that one so you can see what's going on. Truck's in decent shape, but it's got oil pressure issues. And here's a Mercury Grand Marquis that we're going to probably fix that one and sell that one. That one needs a motor. So it'd just be interesting to see what we got floating around here. So that's it for today. If you guys enjoy my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. If you want to join our group, Backyard Mechanics, on Facebook, please do so. Make sure you answer all the questions and not block your profile. And that's about it for today. Hope you guys have a great day and keep wrenching.